Hey everybody, this is Kim Danke. I am here to show you how to register for an in-person event. I'm going to share my screen. We are going to go to the Shibboleth website, and right here we're going to click on Dashboard. When you click on Dashboard, your dashboard may not look like my dashboard because dashboards can be rearranged, okay? So if you have rearranged your dashboard, or if I have and it looks different than what you have, then we're going to scroll down to wherever it shows events, okay? So events right here, see where it says events? But this little block could be anywhere on this dashboard if you've rearranged your dashboard, okay? So here's this class. You're going to click on View Details. View Details. Once you've clicked on View Details, first of all, you could share it if you want your friends to know about it, which would be great. You can like it right there, which is awesome. If you want to register for this class, all you do is click that button, and you will be registered for class. Now, if you then find out that you cannot come to that class, please then click Cancel Registration, because that will be the new button that's up there in your website. So it's really quick and easy. And if you are going to come to a Kennesaw event in the future, then we need you to register. So we are starting registration for all events. And if Jason ever has an event that he needs you to register for, or any other event, this is how you will register for that event. Thank you. Please let us know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.